Welcome, productivity peeps. In 2026, we're going to be focusing on working smarter, not harder. And spoiler alert, it may not all be Microsoft this year. So thank you for joining me for my series. Check out our weekly drops on Tuesdays. We're doing Tip Tuesdays again. So excited to be here. Check out this first video. All right, this week's tip, we're going to do something fun. We're going to kick it off with some Copilot and a little bit of ChatGPT. So I get asked all the time, which AI tool do you use? Well, it depends. It depends on what I'm trying to accomplish. So let's do a fun one. We're going to do a little bit of image building, creating a caricature using the same prompt in Copilot and in ChatGPT. And you tell me who wore it best. All right, let's kick off Copilot with a little bit of fun. This came up on one of my social media feeds, and I thought you'd think it was a little bit interesting to do for yourself. So let's create a prompt. Hey, can you create a caricature of me and my job based on everything you know about me? And then I gave it a reference picture. So I'm going to add a file and click open. And let's see what it comes up with. All right, fade through to the results. We have on the left the exact same prompt, the exact same picture for reference. And look what ChatGPT gave me versus what Copilot gave me on the right-hand side. You tell me, who wore it better? I would love for you to go out and use this prompt and see what it comes up for you, because I had a lot more fun with it after that. I got different variations. Make me a superhero. Show me presenting in front of a class. Then I gave him a different picture. And I said, I was at Ignite. Give me that one. And I got this picture. Then I got another picture of me on stage, which I'm way far away. And look what it came up with. And finally I said, you know what? I wasn't really wearing jeans. I was wearing black pants. Can you fix that? And it did. So go out, have some fun with it, and post the results. I would love to see what you get. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like or subscribe so you get next week's tip. I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's my job to make your job easier.